Just like that, we back with another freaking video. Hey, look, let's give these shout outs real quick. Thank you, Boyna Expert. We have MD Dins. That's what I be fucking out names up. Sophia. Shout out to you. She said, keep digging. I'm digging, girl. I'm digging. T Gems, Chris Weaver, he a real one. I swear he be flooding my comments. Y'all flood my comments, you know what I'm saying? Drop some easy mail. I did create a playlist. Somebody said create a playlist so we know. Oh, M-Dens. I did create a playlist. So this will be in the playlist. Let's see. We got Mark James, Email Buster Monty. I swear. Relly says, you know, his top 5 Righteous and Ratchet. This what it is. I just did freeze, bro. I just put it in the playlist. Next word, Scru. Hey, everybody saying that drink. I mean, Keon Greats. Let's see what we got. Wrong person. My bad. King Unda. You see what I'm saying? Rosa Lazanza. Y'all flood the comments. Kenneth Pacat. Sam Handuk. Flood the comments for the next shout out. That's it for today. You know what I'm saying? But let's get into the Scru. Y'all know I just did. If you don't know, the videos in somewhere around here. Might be at the end. Just hit the button. My first reaction to Screwface. So I'm feeling that. Let go.
Time to get to it. Let's get right.
I just realized that Screwface do reactions because when I reacted to his song, his reactions popped up. I like his setup. That was my setup in the beginning, and I should go back to that because that was like my best vibe. I had the more space.
To the hello?
Hey, what up, cuz?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh yeah, it's about that time. It's about that time.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
This vibe that they giving right here is just, it just says it's about to be nasty.
I came from the sand of a holy land. Understand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose a stand. And we think it's the Coleone fam. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off, then it's showing came and righteous in the broken land. All of that chicken, none of that chat. We can be right to the rest. See bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right to the rest. Hey, we can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people on the storm. We can be right to the rest. So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginners until I'm fucking, I'm winning. The middle lane is full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run the wrong way.
Wait. What?
We can be right to the rest. See bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right to the rest. Hey, we can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people on the storm. We can be right to the rest. So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginners until I'm fucking, I'm winning. The middle lane is full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run the wrong way.
You got a tongue full of venom. Hey, give it to him, bro. Hey, give it to him, bro. Ah, spit that shit.
The general, he's a fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing in your bitch cause I'm lyrically everything. I'm billing your bitches, I'm blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from or at, homie. Send me the addy, we put it up now. Send me the addy, we put it up now. Fuck up your block, we running you down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking tested dollar on the rigger? We gon' run the exit, driving in the sprinter with the SMS signing with the living like a homies. Rest in peace, t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm sick.
Yes, sir. Yeah. This joke, oh my god, this joke is taking me back to my end of days when I'm like, I got sucked in. Woo! I did his whole entire catalog, kind of.
Blue face on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from or at, homie. Send me an addy, we put it on the map. Send me the addy, we put it on the map. Fuck up your block, we wanted you down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking tested dollar on the rigger? We gon' run the extra driving in the sprinter. We the SMS signing, we deliver like a homies. Rest in peace, t-shirt.
What?
I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quit shit.
None of that chat. We can be ratchet and ratchet. See, bitch be talking, but bitch be capping. We can be ratchet and ratchet. Hey, hey. We can be ratchet and ratchet. I came from the bottom of people in stall. We can be ratchet and ratchet. Hey.
Should've been stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen tripping on down to a pool of the soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she beg for the pole.
So ready and go, I said it before. They think
What? Shit. Speaking of what?
we can be ratchet and ratchet. Hey, hey. We can be ratchet and ratchet. I came from the bottom of people in stall. We can be ratchet and ratchet. Hey.
Should've been stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen tripping on down to a pool of the soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she beg for the pole.
So ready and go, I said it before. If they snakes like Medusa, let's set it in stone. There's some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they gon' kick in my house and I'll go in the bay where the Pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick in with a semi, they pros. Like a mobster, eat a lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty of options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
Screwing that stomp on her heads like a soccer. Deflating those with these shells to they blanca. We launching Boeings to set up the hasta. So get to home and then set up your store.
Quit all of that cheating, all of that chat. We can be ratchet and ratchet. Some bitches be talking, but bitch be capping. We can be ratchet and ratchet. Hey, hey. We can be ratchet and ratchet. I came from the bottom with people in stall. We can be ratchet and ratchet. Hey.
Why it look like they had so much fun on this damn video shoot though? Like this chemistry right here. Oh, this chemistry is unmatched right now. The collab I didn't think I needed. I needed this right there. Woo, 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 woo. Y'all gonna hate me when I get space. I get my camera up. It's gonna be a dance party up in the joint, especially if you could get. Man, I wanted to get up out of my seat. I really did. I really wanted to be Hey, look. Give me 1 year from today. We're gonna have more space. It's gonna be a different background, you know what I'm saying? No more of this. We'll have a separate space, you know what I'm saying? But Easy Mill, Screw Face. Yes, let's keep it going, man. I'll see y'all in the next video.